Good afternoon, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this absolutely stunning 2025 registered Porsche 992.1 Carrera GTS coupe. This one is finished in Arctic grey, so a little bit grey, a little bit blue. Full Aerokit obviously, and over £20,000 in options on this, and obviously just one owner. This car's only done 2,600 miles, so just run in. Massive saving on this from new. This one was nearly £143,000, so it's just about 120 now, so very good value. And then it's got all the right bits: the staggered centre lock, 20 and 21 inch gloss black alloy wheels, the gloss black Aerokit, the matrix LED headlights, obviously the front and rear parking sensors, gloss black window surrounds, GTS interior pack. Oops, sorry, I've locked it from the other side when I've moved it. I'll go back to that. Obviously all the wheels, everything in very nice condition. Eagle F1 tyres, basically brand new. The exclusive design rear light with the smoked, that wonderful light bar. Again, more gloss black details, gloss black sports exhaust, obviously the big wing for the Aerokit, the model designation all in gloss black. I absolutely love the spec of this one. Obviously privacy glass, all of the rear in gloss black with the slats as well. Condition, as you expect for the age of mileage, is basically brand new. Potentially be the odd stone chip if you're really trying to find them, but nothing that I could see. So jumping on into the interior, you've got the matte carbon interior, obviously the BOSE, the 18-way memory seats, the extended leather with the crayon contrast stitching, loads of Alcantara, the Alcantara GT sports wheel, or Race-Tex as Porsche like to call it. That is heated as well, the steering wheel. GTS embroidered into the headrests. Again, more of the contrast crayon stitching. The Porsche crest on the centre armrest, also finished in Race-Tex. More of the matte carbon ambient lighting. You've got the PSM, the sports exhaust, heated seats, dual climate, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sat-nav navigation, DB, Bluetooth, all the bits that you would expect. And obviously you've got the crayon on the seat belts, those black brushed aluminium kick plates. Jumping on into the interior, you obviously got cruise control, speed limiter, and then all your steering wheel controls. Your Manatino down here between Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, etc. And again, you've got your sports exhaust, suspension settings, and then there's loads of apps and things you can get in these now. All your Sport Chrono stuff, all in here. Various car bits. Your full chassis control there. Various assistances, park assist, etc. Very nice spec. We'll put the full spec, a link to the advert in the description box below. So if you do want to get the full rundown of the spec of this car, that'll be available just on the link below. Can't imagine this one will last very long. These never do with us. Any Aerokitted cars, especially the Arctic grey, amazing colour with the gloss black, just looks amazing. But there you go, that is just landed in stock with this. If you are interested in this, please do give one of the team here at Kingsbridge a call. Any further information you require, give one of us here a call, and we shall see if we can make this one come to your driveway. Thanks again for watching. We shall see you on the next one.